In the world of construction, hot work activities like welding, cutting, and grinding is essential. But with the sparks, flames, and intense heat comes a hidden danger: fire. Every year, thousands of fires ignite on construction sites, many of them preventable. According to the NFPA, hot work is responsible for over 4,000 fires annually in the U.S. These aren't just statistics, they represent significant property damage, project delays, and most importantly, serious risks to life and limb. Understanding these risks is the first step towards prevention. The good news is that hot work fires are largely preventable with the right precautions. Before any hot work begins, the area must be thoroughly prepared. This means removing all movable combustibles within a 35-foot radius, or shielding them with fire-resistant materials. It also means ensuring that fire extinguishing equipment is not just present, but appropriate and fully functional. And remember to cover all wall and floor openings, as sparks can travel and ignite fires in unseen areas. A critical component of hot work safety is the permit system. A hot work permit isn't just a piece of paper, it's a comprehensive checklist ensuring all necessary precautions are in place before work begins. No permit, no hot work, unless in a specifically designated area. Equally vital is the fire watcher. This trained individual is your immediate safety net, observing the hot work operation and the surrounding area for any signs of fire. They remain on duty during the work and for at least 60 minutes after, ensuring no smoldering embers ignite a blaze. Ready to master hot work safety and protect your job site from preventable fires? The OSHA Online Center offers a comprehensive Hot Work for Construction certification course. In just 17 minutes, you'll gain the vital knowledge and practical skills to perform hot work safely and confidently. Click the link in description below to enroll in Hot Work for Construction.